Now, I'm going to discuss the role of government agencies in times of disaster. During calamity operations, the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or NDRRMC makes available all facilities and the expertise relative to the effective implementation of the mission. So as we can see nga, before ang calamity mo abot, nag-text na ang NDRRMC niya, mag-emote dayon mo nga, may pa ang NDRRMC nag-update. So also sa ato ang Office of Civil Defense, the National Regional Disaster and Calamity Preparedness Plan. So nag-prepare na sila og plan o nagahatag pud sila og guidelines o task nga angay natong sundon before, during, and after the calamity. Chairman convenes the council as often as necessary. Og ang chairman pod ang nagatawag sa other departments, bureaus, agencies, instrumentalists sa government. Og apil na po dito ang private sector for assistance kung kinahanglan. The OCD administrator coordinates the activities and functions of various agencies and instrumentalities sa atong government. Apil na sad ang private institution and civic organizations nga mag-implement og policy and programs sa NDRRMC ug nag-disseminate siya materials relative sa disaster prevention, control, and mitigation, and advices nga gikan sa chairman nga nagmatters sa disaster management. So next is the Department of Interior and Local Government or DILG. So nagalantaw ni siya sa organization of DCCs nga establish ang disaster operations centers sa tanang local governments ug nagakandak pa ni sila og training kauban ng DCC members in coordination sa OCD, DSWD ug Philippine National Red Cross uban pang mga appropriate nga agencies. So DSWD Secretary extends relief assistance and social services to the victims as necessary. So kung mabantayan natin ng mga after niabot ang disaster or calamity, kay ang DSWD jud ang kadalasan nga nagaprovide sa atwa og relief assistance og social services like atong mga pagkaon, daily needs nato o cash assistance. Ang DOH or Department of Health nagaprovide ni siya og health services to prevent morbidities or mga viruses nato sa kalamidad or sa mga baha. And nag-organize po din sila og kanang reaction teams para sa mga hospital, clinics, sanitary ug other health institution. Next is the National Economic and Development Authority or NEDA. Director General nga naga-determine og naga-analyze sa posibleng epekto sa disaster o calamity sa atong socio-economic plans and programs sa atong nasod. Og especially naga-develop ni sila og assessment para sa mga lugar nga na-damage. Naga-implement og rehabilitation ug naga-forefront sila og mga initiatives para mabalik ang mga panginabuhian sa mga tao og mas-safe pod. So, let's proceed sa DOLE or Department of Labor and Employment. So, kapamilya naman taan nino. Nag-provide ni siya og emergency employment opportunities to disasters victims, implements the Industrial Civil Defense Program. So, sa mutad ng mga nasalantahan, nawad ag trabaho tungod sa kalamidad nga niabot og naga-measure, organize ug naga-train sila og control groups in all factories and industrial complexes. So next is the Department of Education. Provides assistance in the public education and campaign. So makita na to nga ed nagakandak ni sila sa school og kanang earthquake drill og matag school na ay first aid kit. regarding sa disaster preparedness, prevention, and mitigation. So, before and after the calamity, ang schools building kay ginahimo po ni siya og evacuation center na nagipabakwit ito before or after pa sa calamity, og naga-organize ni sila og naagihapon ni sila control groups o reaction teams nga makahatag yapon sa mga estudyante or mga kabataan og learning materials. So let's proceed sa Department of Trade and Industry. So kani siya kay naga-maintain siya og normal level of commodities during emergencies. So for example, ani ang pagkaon. So kung naay moabot nga kanang calamity kay naga-freezes ni siya og kanang price kay bali murag baba siya ba. Then after sa kanang kalamidad kay syempre ang uban mawad-an man jud trabaho, maguba ang mga panginabuhian. So kung magpataas ta og kanang price, ang katong mga tao nga walay panginabuhian syempre dili jud sila kanang maka-afford sa kanang mga pagkaon man lang kay taas man siya, og kung magpataas po ka kay pwede pud ka nga kanang kasuhan sa DTI. Next is the Department of Agriculture, which is naga-undertake siya survey sa mga katong naguba jud sa kalamidad og especially sa katong agricultural, crops, livestock, and fisheries. Especially katong nagkinahanglan na jud siya technical assistance sa mga nasalantahan, og ang Department of Agriculture sa nagahatag og kanang seedlings food para ang mga tao makastart na pud sila og bagong panginabuhian. The DBM Secretary releases funds required by the departments for disaster operations. So kaning Department of Budget and Management kay naga-release lang ni siya o nagapagawas lang ni siya pundo para sa mga disaster operations. Next is the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR, oversees the reforestation and control of areas which tend to cause flooding, landslide, mud flow, and ground subsidence. So, ang kaning DENR naga-provide po ni siya og seedlings and saplings and technical assistance regarding sa mines, forests, and lands, and naga-formulate po siya og rules and regulations para sa control of water and land pollution. The DOF, or the Department of Finance, issues rules and regulations with the relevant agencies for funding by local government of the requirements for organizing, equipping, and training of their DCCs and reaction team. So, muna siyang fund by the local government. So next is the DPWH, or Department of Public Works and Highways. So muna siya ang nag-restore sa mga naguba nga kalsada, and especially makatabang po ni siya nga para makontrol ang pagbaha, waterworks, o ganang ang mga traffic sa kalsada maiwasan, and sa tulay, and other vertical and horizontal facilities, structures, and provides po ni siya og light equipment for relief rescue para mapadali ang pag-rescue, mga recovery nga mga operation. So let's proceed sa DOT, or Department of Tourism. Kani sila naga-organize po ni sila og naga-train og disaster control groups and reaction teams sa hotel, pension houses og restaurants o guban pang mga tourist-oriented facilities kay kung para mapadali ang pag-rescue o pagtabang. The Department of Transportation and Communication is parehas lang ni siya sa DPWH kay parehas sila nag-restore og transportation and communication, like sa mga railroads, nagkakuan sila services national level to down to barangay level. Next is PIA, Philippine Information Agency, provides public information service through social media, live reports, news, and so on and so forth about the disaster preparedness. Also, the Philippine National Red Cross conducts leadership training for the youth, and in times of calamity, nanin sila mo volunteer, nagahatag og first aid and para makatabang sa community. And lastly, the Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff ensures security in disaster areas. So, Kita na to nga ang AFP nagatabang sa ato og assist sa pag-rescue, pagbantay sa mga evacuation center, ug para pud mapadali ang paghatag sa relief supplies and also para ma-ensure ang ato seguridad. And this is our last topic, contribution of disaster management. So all-bodied young citizens should involve themselves civic actions in the community. So as a youth, we should be responsible in our actions, especially in times of needs. So kinahanglan nga matabangan po nato atong fellow citizen nga ma-aware sila unsay angay buhaton before, during, and after the calamity. And also to help them how to handle the distress kay syempre nig na ay mga kalamidad, mahadlo ka, matrauma ka, magkaroon ka ng post-traumatic disorder. That's why kinahanglan nato ang disaster management cycle SAD, ang preparedness, recovery, response, development, and mitigation. These are the following activities: sorting, loading, and distribution of relief goods, administering first aid treatment to victims, comforting and assisting in the rehabilitation of evacuees, disseminating information to concerned individuals, surveying affected families and areas, monitoring and liaising work. Civic action activities like environmental and ecological protection, river and watershed control projects, and tree planting, forest fire control should be planned and implemented. Youth must participate in tree planting, and any other youth development agencies should establish coordination and linkages to be up before, during, and after every disaster by using the NDRRMC operational development. NDRRMC operational model. The youth development agencies should plan disaster management activities before a calamity strikes. They should join or participate in training exercises on disaster and relief operations. See to it that the available resources could meet the needs of the activities. Coordinate all activities properly in the city, provincial, and municipal disaster coordinating councils. Organize groups. They should assign responsibilities which the member can handle properly. Confidence in what they do is the key to success. And lastly, work as a team. They should coordinate efforts with other public and or organization. In conclusion, the Philippines has a unique local governance system of barangays whose primary function is to plan and implement government policies, plans, programs, projects, and activities in the community. The local are rich knowledge about the community and have already solution to problems at hand. So, ang buhaton na lang dyan nato is to follow the instruction o maging active sa mga program based sa disaster preparedness. That's all for today.